This is Dogecoin price prediction update. Can Dogecoin go to $1? What is the price prediction? What is technical analysis? Where to buy, where to sell? We're gonna cover everything in this video, so stay tuned. First of all, let's take a look at my previous analysis for my previous video. Look guys, I made this prediction of Dogecoin going down to those zones here, like this sign I did in the previous video, and we followed that perfectly. Look guys, we topped 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at around 13 cents here, and we tapped it perfectly. So I still believe that we have ability to go down to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, so you can get it lower. So guys, like if you're thinking like, oh my gosh, it's crashing, it's going down, and you feel really emotional, put your emotions on the side. Put your emotions on the side and be really thankful for Dogecoin, because the retracement is around 45%, 43%, and we can even go lower to like minus 50%. And what does it mean? It means you can get it much cheaper, and it's really great, especially for those who don't own like any Dogecoin, and it's a great opportunity to get into this project. And guys, like I told you in my previous video, that it's so important to have your limit order ready, and if you listen to me, you would have been like 20% out, because look at that wick here, like look how fast it goes. It's literally just like 1 hour. Like there's no way you can get it trading live. Like you would have to be in front of your screen all day, and all you have to do, like I told you, you just go to, like, for example, Bybit. By the way, I have affiliate link in the description, so if you don't have a trading account, you can do it. You can text me on Telegram or Instagram, I can help you set up the account. But what you have to do is just put like order price. What you look for is Doge USDT spot right here, and then when you do, it's really simple. You just put the order price here around 13 cents and whatever you want to buy it for, let's say like $1,000, and you just click buy. And when the price is gonna reach 13 cents, it's gonna automatically buy it for you when you're asleep or work or whatever. And when it does get it for you, then you're gonna wake up and you're gonna be up already 20%, because look what happened. That was really quick, and now we're up like 30% in the same day. So there's no way you can catch it. You would have to be like full-time trader and like watch the chart all the time. But I think it's possible we're gonna retest this level or even get lower here. In my opinion, this is like the lowest we can get for now, unless something horrible happens to BTC. Then the last level will be here, around 9 cents. So my next limit order would be around 11 cents. I would put 11.5. So when you go to Bybit, you just put order price 11.5 right here, and whatever you wanna, I would put like $5,000. And if when Dogecoin is gonna reach this level super quick, it's gonna automatically get it for me. So when we bounce from that level and we even like go back to the previous top, it's 100% trade. So look guys, like the lower you can get it, the better. The lower you can get it, the better. So be thankful and be happy. You can actually reverse that emotion. Like people are so emotional and they're sad about like some project going down, but like if you take your profits on the way up, then you're happy when things go down, because you can buy it back. So that's why what I'm teaching here on this channel, take your profits and use them when the price is changing. So next thing we want to talk about, if we go to this level of around 11 cents, guys, if we go to $1, for example, if you buy it at around, if you buy Dogecoin at 20 cents here, and if we go to $1, then it's just 5x. But if we go here and we go to $1, that's 10x. So we can make so much more. You can make 5x more. The lower you get, that's the beauty of it. That's the essence. Like getting the projects as low as possible can get you most rewards, but you have to have your stable coins ready, you have to have your cash ready, and you have to have your limit orders ready to trade it. So yeah, the lower you can get, the more percentage you can make on the way up. So my plan for Dogecoin is I already purchased a little bit at 0.5, and if we go to 382 Fibonacci retracement level, like I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna get even more, and I think that's gonna be the bottom, like medium term bottom. But if something terrible happens, I think 9 cents is possible as well as the lowest point. So let's take a look at Dogecoin BTC chart, because like I predicted it perfectly too. Look at that order box I drew on the last video, and we tapped that level here, look, and it's perfectly, it's daily 200 AMA, like we bounced back from this level, like we literally just bounced. Look guys, it's perfect. So you could get Dogecoin using your BTC at the best prices possible here using this order box, and we bounced back. Like look guys, I said the price is gonna go down to this box and bounce back, and look what happened. Let's go on a 4-hour chart. The price went to the order box and bounced back. Like literally I predicted it perfectly. So I'm really happy about that. And when we look at the weekly time frame, it looks really good. It looks really good, especially on a daily. Look, we broke. Not only RSI shows bullish divergence, but we also broke this moving averages, daily moving average 50 and 200, and we broke it, and we successfully retested it with a nice bounce. And I think we're gonna continue. It looks bullish, especially that Bitcoin dominance is pretty high, because if we look at Bitcoin dominance, I told you guys here, I predicted another thing like perfectly. Look, like I told you guys we're gonna reach 57, we reached 57, that level. Like I drew it like literally weeks ago, and we're following it perfectly. So if we go to this order box, this is the best opportunity to accumulate altcoins, the best. Okay, but it's really good right now. It's really good right now. So this shows that Bitcoin dominance is really high. It continues growing. We just broke the ascending triangle, and I think we're gonna form some kind of top, like local top. It could be here already at 57, could be, but I think we're gonna go a little higher, between 57 and 62. Like that should be the top, in my opinion. And that's gonna be even better place to accumulate even more altcoins, because we're gonna bounce back. We're gonna go all the way down, and then you can sell your altcoins into BTC, and this is how you make money in this market. Like profit makes profit, take profit, and buy something back when everything crashes, and use those swings. This is what I'm gonna be talking on this channel, on swing trading, getting something overvalued into something undervalued, and this is the best way to move on the market and make money. So talking about Bitcoin dominance, let's just take a look at Altcoin season index. And I told you guys we would go down here, and we did. We actually did. We were at 25, which was the best time to buy altcoins, and if you had that limit order, you would have it. You would have those altcoins, but it's still 37. It's still a good point to accumulate. Maybe not crazy, maybe not like crazy, but it's still a good moment to accumulate just a little bit of altcoins. And if we continue going back into Bitcoin season, the lower we get on this chart, the more altcoins you should go to. So if you have 10% here, I would go like 20% at 25, 25-30% around like 15 points or something like that. Like everyone has to have their own strategy. So the lower we get, the more exposure to altcoins you should have. Like this is the rule. And as we go back into altcoin season, then you're selling your altcoins into BTC, and that's how you do it. Like, look guys, we have seasons, we have cycles, and it works perfectly. You just have to pick the right altcoins, and if you don't know which altcoins, just leave me a follow, subscribe to the channel, and you will know it. All right, another chart I want to show you, Fear and Greed Index. I've been telling you guys about this for a while. I told you guys, when I started talking, we were at 78, and now we're at 66. I told you guys we're gonna move towards the left. We're gonna shift toward the fear, or even extreme fear, and we're getting closer there. So it's really possible for Dogecoin or Bitcoin or other crypto to have an even bigger correction, to dump even more. Okay, because like we have to see some fear, because we've been so high for so long, and this needs some shakeout. You know, this needs some shakeout, and if we see that, we're gonna see amazing prices, and you should have your capital ready, you should have your cash ready, stable coins to get into the market. Partially DCA, always ready. All right, let's just take a look lastly at Gecko, and Dogecoin is at number 9. We're still pretty high, but everyone is asking, can we go to $1? And if we were to go to $1, that would mean the market cap of approximately 150 billion. We are currently at 22 billion, and if we were to go to 150 billion, that would mean we would get on the 3rd place behind Ethereum, which is possible, especially that I think we're gonna double or triple like the whole market this year, next year. I don't know, like it's hard to predict, but it will double. Like in my opinion, it will double or triple. So seeing Dogecoin at number 3, so Ethereum would be like 1 billion, Bitcoin will be like 3.5 billion, something like that, a trillion, I'm sorry, and 150 billion for Dogecoin wouldn't look that impressive, and Dogecoin wouldn't be even on the 3rd place, would probably be somewhere like 5, 6, 7 or something like that, with that kind of capitalization. So I think it's possible, yeah. But would I wait for it? No, like I would accumulate Dogecoin and I would just sell it partially on the way up, because you never know when the bull market's gonna end, and you should take your profits along the way up. So I'm gonna take my profits around 25 cents, 50 cents, and maybe I'm gonna make some leave some little small part for long term, like kind of like a moon back, and I'm gonna sell it at like 80-90 cents or something like that. I'm gonna take my profits before $1. I'm not gonna wait for it, because it really depends like how much capital you're using. If you're losing small capital, sometimes it's worth to hold it a little longer and wait for some bigger results, but it's risky. It's just risky, you know. Last cycle everyone was waiting for $1. We never saw it, and people lost their money, of course, if they sold. Okay, so it's better to take profits, and if you play with higher amounts of money, then you should just take your profits earlier. Okay, of course, as always, it's not financial advice. This is just purely informative. It's for entertainment purposes. It's just my personal opinion on the market. None of this is a financial advice. I hope you remember that. Thank you so much. This is everything for today's video. I hope you really like it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, stay updated for future updates. I'm gonna cover Dogecoin, I'm gonna cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins and stock market, so you will know how to move on the market and what's undervalued and what potential moves you can make on the market. All right, thank you so much. Again, you can like this video, you can leave a comment down below if you have any question, and you can subscribe to the channel to support it. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.